Hello, hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Shagufa.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine, Shagufa.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Yash. Okay, so Ishan also has come. Now only
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon, Ishan. Only Mayank has not come. So we will wait for 2, 3 more minutes and then we'll start. And today it is an open motion. So whatever you want to express, you can express. India has failed. India has not failed. Indian leaders have failed. Indian citizens have failed. Whatever is in your mind, you can express. And one more thing, uh, it
Yes,
might happen that I have to go in between. Just someone is going to come at 3:30. So if that happens, I will take a leave for 4 or 5 minutes. In the meantime, somebody else you can continue. So do not stop if I'm not there. You can just continue. If he comes after 3:40, it's fine. Then I'm there. Okay. So I will read. The topic is why India failed to prevent the deadly second wave of coronavirus, COVID-19 virus. And I think this we all are experiencing every day. We are
yes,
in our neighborhood, in our city, everywhere. This panic button is on. Panic button is going on. So Muzaffarpur, the average is, I believe, somewhere between 450 to 700 positives every day. What is the condition of Samastipur, Ishan? Are you getting my voice, Ishan? No. There is some problem with Ishan's microphone. Shagufa, what is the rate of positives in your area?
yes, sir. Some cases only.
2 cases only.
Yes, some cases, sir.
Some cases. Okay, okay. Some cases. Okay.
Yes,
That's
yes.
wonderful. It means you are at safe place. Very good. Very good. So you have shifted to your village, Shagufa.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
It's
okay.
town, sir, not village.
It's towns. No, it's okay.
It's
It's town.
town. Yeah. It's town.
Where Ishan has gone. Okay, I think Ishan is facing some problem and he has gone. But because our time is limited, we will not delay further. We will start. And I will request Yash to start. Then Shagufa will present her views. If Ishan comes, he will go third. And I will also keep my views. So, Yash, let's start.
So, good afternoon, sir. My name is Yash, and today's topic is one of the most serious situations which we are facing around the world, and especially in India, which we are seeing from our own eyes. We can see the situation from our own eyes. What is happening is that the resources which was available, the medical resources which were available, is fully completely what I can say is that it has been utilized, or what you say, it is completely underused, so that others are not getting the facility. Suppose a person wants a bed, ICU bed, or a medical emergency is there, then he cannot get a bed now because the the hospitals are full with patients and the condition is very poor in the country. Uh, we are seeing in all the states, whether it is a BJP ruled party or it is a Congress ruled party, the situation is same all around the country. There is no difference in the situation, especially in Maharashtra, especially in Delhi and other states such as UP. Also, the situation is not as good as it should be. The medical equipments are not enough for the country today. Uh, the second thing is that the most important problem which is coming nowadays is the problem of oxygen. Oxygen is the most essential part of our life, and due to the medical emergency that is going around the country, the shortage of oxygen has been seen around the country. Due to less oxygen production and shortage of oxygen, there are a lot of deaths happening around the country, and we have seen this in just a few days. The peak of coronavirus has just arrived in 1 or 2 weeks before today. And what we are seeing before that, the people were like normal, that coronavirus has gone, and now the situation has become very dangerous around the country, which we are seeing with our eyes. Uh, the news channels are this time, let me tell you, this time only the news channels are daring to show the reality of the situation, because last time, as we were seeing, the Sushant case, the other cases were running on the TV. So the reality is coming now only. What is the situation of the today's medical uh, condition of our country? And it should get better day by day, because the situation is very bad and it is going to get worse day by day only. So I will request the government and the people also, because it is the most important. It is the most important part of the people's people also, that they should take care of themselves, because government is not going to take care of everybody, because they can just show numbers. But if we can, if we lost a single person in our family also, then we are going to lose a lot. So we have to take care of ourselves also, and we have to fight against the coronavirus. Okay, thanks.
You have spoken well, Yash, but the question was unanswered. The question was why we feel that India failed to stop this second wave. What are the reasons we
Yes,
failed?
sir. Yes, sir. So what, before the second wave, what we were saying, that the people had started taking coronavirus as it has gone, means it has ended. No virus is there around the country. The people had started thinking that we are just safe from the virus. Let's see the example of elections which were going around the country. We were seeing huge rallies were taking place, and the politicians were also trying to show that how such big number of people are coming to their rallies. So this was a very bad news, bad fact, that people tried it, seeing it in another way, and thought that the coronavirus is not there around the country, and this affected it a lot. the peak which came around the country the elections was one of the causes which make it more worse and worse. The the oxygen shortage which we are seeing around the country is also due to some problems. Let me tell you one example. Delhi was sanctioned some oxygen plants. I think around eight plants were sanctioned by the central government, but only one of them was fully equipped and it is now in a working condition. So where is the seven oxygen plants? If it was there, then this had not been the situation. So let me tell you, the condition is very bad, and there is both the government and the public both have failed in this, and no one is means no one actually is responsible. Everybody is responsible. The government has also not taken proper care, and the public has also not taken. So this was
Okay, okay, fine, fine. So now time for Shagufa to put her views. Where she has gone. Yes, Shagufa, your point of view.
Yes, sir. First of all, good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm going to speak for the motion, and the topic is why India failed to prevent the deadly second wave. Yes, India failed to prevent the deadly second wave, as in less than a month, things began to unravel. But the country gets in the grips of a devastating second wave of the virus, and the short period, the cases took the pace and cities of facing fresh lockdowns. Not only that, but many deaths are being heard daily, even in our surroundings, and even India's mammoth vaccinations effort was now struggling. In the beginning, the rollout had been embroiled in a controversy, over the efficiency over a homegrown candidate. Even as the country ramped up the drive and administered more than 100 million doses by last week. So vaccine shortage were being reported, and the Serum Institute of India, the country, and the world's biggest vaccine maker said it would not be able to ramp up suppliers before June because it didn't have enough money to expand capacity. Even oxygen was likely to be imported now to meet the surge in demand. So, India placed a temporary hold on all exports of the Oxford AstraZeneca coronavirus vaccine because the doses were needed urgently at home. Were needed at home and allowed imports of foreign vaccines. Meanwhile, away from the death and the disappear, the world's richest cricket tournament was being played behind closed doors every evening, and tens of thousands of people were following their leaders to elections, rallies, and attending the Hindu festival of Kumbh Mela. So that is the very this is that's it.
Okay, thank you, Shagufa. Now time for Ishan to speak and put his thoughts.
A very warm good afternoon to all of you. What situation we saw last year and what situation this year is, we can't expect. But all things happen due to of our mistake. We can't blame our prime minister. We can't blame our bureaucracy. because if we can't change ourselves, no one can change ourselves. I remember a short story, like एक बच्चा एक इंस्टीट्यूट में गया जहां पर पेड़ पर चढ़ना सिखाया जा रहा था। टीचर ने उसे जो भी ट्रिक्स एंड टेक्निक्स होते हैं पेड़ पर चढ़ने के, उन्होंने बताया कि बेटा ऐसे ऐसे होता है आप। और प्रैक्टिकल का जब टाइम आया तो गुरुजी ने कहा कि ठीक है, तो आपको मैंने सारे ट्रिक्स एंड टेक्निक्स सिखाए हैं, अब आप चढ़िए। वो बच्चा पेड़ पर चढ़ना शुरू कर दिया। जैसे जैसे वो पिक पर गया, गुरुजी ने कहा ठीक है, आप अच्छा कर रहे हैं, आप आराम से जाइए, ध्यान रखिएगा बस। और जब वो ऊपर चला गया, उन्होंने गुरुजी ने कहा ठीक है, ध्यान रखिएगा, बस इतना ही कहा। और जब वो नीचे आने लगा, आई थिंक लास्ट के कुछ दूरी जब उसका बचा हुआ रहा होगा उतरने में, तो गुरुजी ने कहा कि बेटा अब आपको काफी ध्यान देना है उतरने में। उसने सोचा कि यार मतलब इतना ऊंचा पेड़ मैंने इतनी आसानी से चढ़ लिया है, और उतरने में अब क्या ध्यान रखना, अब इतना कम दूर है, अब तो बस ऐसे ही अब मस्ती में उतर सकते हैं। उसने अपने टीचर की बात को इग्नोर किया, और जब कुछ दूरी बचा हुआ था, उसका पैर स्लिप किया, गिरा और उसका पैर टूट गया। Moral of the story is, when we think we are safe, we are actually in danger on that time. It's like, अब एक बच्चा था, एक्चुअली मैं अपनी बात बता रहा हूँ, जब मुझे लगा कि अब मैं साइकिल बहुत अच्छे से सीख गया हूँ और मैं हाथ छोड़ के भी चला सकता हूँ, मैं उस टाइम गिरा और मेरा हाथ फ्रैक्चर हो गया था। Similar thing happened in our country, like when we think अब तो हम कोरोना से जीत ही चुके हैं, अब क्या दवा क्या दुआ, बस चल दिए बिना मास्क पहने। And that was the time when we lost. So on the big time, we all were aware in starting, like everyone was wearing mask. I remember that on the March, when all these things were started, I was buying a sanitizer, I was buying a mask, and washing my hands 3 or 4 times in a day, even without going outside, because everything was locked. So where I go, even after I clean my hand 3 or 4 times, but after it goes along, my cleaning hand and all these things was just got lazy. And when I lost my first mask, then I don't buy another, because of think what will happen, everything is now normal. So that mistake what I done, maximum of people done that the same mistake. And one of the major problem, which was migration, not only in Bihar but for the whole country. Like a small problem happened, we just leave our house and went for earning or education. We went from our house, and then a small problem started, then we again come in a bulk. It created a big issue. I was 2 days ago, I was seeing a bus just came from I think from South Karnataka side. I was asking, from when you go back? He was saying 3 months back. I went for my work. After 3 months, I came back. What he earned, he all spent in just booking that ticket or bus, because that is too much costly. So what was the profit? I think almost zero. So we don't have a patience. We just easily lose our hope. We easily just lose our patience. These are the major issue. Like suddenly these things happen on a very big disaster way. Everyone was know in the country, everyone who is educated know about this pandemic. Like the wave 2 will definitely come. everyone was no. But this type of disaster, no one was thinking of that. But actually, we are responsible. I understand in hospital, we don't have a proper bed, we don't have a proper oxygen. Their government is responsible. But for our health, for our safety, government is not responsible. We are responsible for that, and we have to accept that. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ishan. It was nice. I think firstly we have to blame ourselves that I have failed. I have failed to stop the second wave. Then only I can blame someone else. Yash, any more points you have which you can add in this?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to give an example of yesterday. Actually, my relative is there in Patna. His health is not very well. He has bought remdesivir medicine is there. He bought it in 6 doses. He bought 6 doses of it, and it cost around 3 lakhs. So one dose 50,000.
Okay.
One dose
50K.
50,000. So I want to show you the condition of country, what is going around. I just gave you this example because the shortage of medical equipment, whether it is there or not, the shortage is there or not, the black marketing is very high in today's situation. So one should avoid going to hospital, and if a person can treat himself in the home only, then he should be doing. So this was an example.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for telling us. We all know that black marketeers are now minting money, and I don't know where is their where dharma or iman kahan chala gaya, we don't know. Shagufa, any more points you want to add? How we are failing in stopping this second wave?
Feeling very bad, sir. By mid-April, the country was averaging more than 1 lakh, 1 lakh cases. On Sunday, India recorded more than 270 lakhs cases and over 1,600 deaths. Both new single day reports. If the runway infection was not checked, India could be recording more than 2,300 deaths every day by first week of June, according to report by the Lancet COVID-19 Information Data.
Okay. Ishan, any further points?
सर जितने देर हमारा ये डिबेट चल रहा है, इसमें कितने लाखों लोग संक्रमित हो चुके होंगे और कितने हजारों की संख्या में लोग मर चुके होंगे. When I search for that number, it was too high that I don't want to say that. How much horrible this is. And the most defective problem is migration. And I say that लोग छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम हुआ नहीं, लोग यहाँ से चले गए और फिर वहां कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ, फिर वहां से चले यहाँ दोनों जगह परेशानी है. यहाँ पर भी लोग परेशान हुए, वहां भी लोग परेशान हुए और रास्ते में तो खैर हो ही रहे हैं. एंड देन अगेन प्रॉब्लम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एंड द सिस्टम. हमारी कोई गलती नहीं है इसमें.
Okay, so we came to a conclusion that we all have to be blamed. The CM, the PM, you can say government officials, the citizen, everyone. We all have done a mistake, right? And that's the reason we did not understand that this is going to come. Second wave is going to come. I think I realized on 14th of April. 14th of April, I realized that now the situation is out of control. And from 15th of April, I stopped going outside. So 15th to today is 25th. From last 10, 11 days, I am at home. So when I was unable to get it, that there's a problem coming. Then we can just think about the common man. They are so unaware, because right now also, if you see, every day marriage is going on, people are dancing in that procession, right? All functions are going on, and the moment tomorrow is Monday, the shops will open again, same thing will happen. All shops will be opened, everyone is going out and purchasing, and traffic jam in all over the city. So still we are not ready to listen, understand, and understand the panic, the criticality of the situation. Now, one more thing which we can discuss, that as an individual, myself, Ishan, Yash, Shagufa, what we can do from today onwards, so that we can do our bit to stop this, you can say, pandemic. What we can do, what I can do, what you can do. If you have any point which we can do to stop it, or to at least our effort, at least we don't know what will happen with that, but at least we can do something. Yes, Ishan.
Sir, today I went for hospital to vaccination my grandmom and grandpa, and I saw in hospital there was too much gathering. People were laughing, sharing their bad and good stories. So in hospital there is no any importance of social distancing and all these things. How we think about a marriage ceremony and all these. 2-3 days ago I was seeing a barati, and it was, they were full of enjoying, like जिंदगी तो आज खत्म ही होने वाली है, इतना मतलब आज डांस कर लो कि बस अब कल तो कुछ जीना ही नहीं है. So they were in full enjoyment, like बस आज last है. And even in hospital people are gathering, like with their very closely. I was saying, like, please दूर ही रहिए आप. And even they can't understand, they think इतना ज्यादा egoistic, like आपकी जिंदगी भी खतरे में है, मेरी अकेले की नहीं है. But no one try to understand, even in this pandemic in hospital.
What you want to do, what you will do to do your bit to stop it. हम अकेले हम क्या करें, थोड़ा भी करें, कम से कम हो सकता है मेरे कुछ करने से अगर एक व्यक्ति भी अपने आप को सेव कर लेता है, that's fantastic. So what we should do right now, sitting at home, so that we can do something to control this spread of this virus.
So the precautions are like, we have to wear mask, even our face shield is much better when we go outside. And if this is very important and necessary, when we go outside and after returning, just clean our feet and hands with Dettol water, with good quality of hand wash. That is very important, because मेरे पापा टीचर हैं और भैया फार्मासिस्ट, दोनों लोगों को बाहर जाना होता है, और घर में जैसे ही वो आते हैं उनके लिए बात.
Okay, again there's a problem, he has gone. Yash, as an individual, what you will do to control this?
So first of all, for stopping this virus, we have to do nothing. Actually, we have to do nothing. We have to be in our houses. First of all, if there is a necessary work, then only we should be going outside with a precaution. We should be wearing 2-layer mask, minimum 2-layer mask. Second, we should be sanitizing ourselves. We should be sanitizing our hands, legs, and if possible, then mouth also. Because the virus spread is actually, a report had come a few days back that the coronavirus is spreading through air also. So it was a report. I cannot conclude it because it was a report only. So if it is the case, then it is dangerous because it can spread through air also. If we are going to market and if there is crowd, if we are also not going in contact with anybody, then also we can get affected with it. So we should take some precautions because it can spread to air also. The people should not go outside unnecessarily, and the sanitization should be done properly. Okay.
Okay,
I'm
so
sorry, there's some problem in my phone.
no,
That's
it's,
why.
it's okay. It's okay. So Yash has told that we have to take proper safety measures so that whenever we are going out or someone is coming in, we are not going to get infected. Okay, so we both are in danger. The one who is coming to me, I can I can pass on to him and he can pass on to me. So both have to be maintaining safety measures. And until unless
I
it's not
see.
required, do not go out. Shagufa, any point of yours, how we can stop this spread of virus? What I can do as an individual? मैं क्या करूं?
Sir, we should use sanitizer
Okay,
whole day. And, we should avoid going outside,
right.
and we have to complete the lockdown.
Okay.
We have to.
If my city is not in lockdown, at least I am in lockdown. That is important. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Ishan, any point you left?
I have no idea.
You told that your father is going out, your brother is going out. Something you're telling.
So when they came back, they cleaned their hand, feet, and all these, remove their cloth outside, wear another cloth, and then come inside. Because just cleaning foot and hand, corona, if there is a virus, it should not only on a slipper, it should not only in hand, it should always on cloth. So these small precautions make like a good health, like lemon water is very important, golden milk is very important. After when a sleeping time, we should take a glass of a golden milk. Golden milk means
A2.
turmeric milk.
Okay, turmeric
Sorry?
milk. No, take it.
Turmeric
Turmeric milk.
milk.
Okay.
We should take that, a proper diet, and we should definitely avoid freeze, like cold water, cold drink, fruits which are inside the fridge. We should avoid that. And if there is a important to keep the fruit and fridge, we should minimum keep it half an hour for take the temperature normal for eat that.
Okay. So safety is required. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So finally, what I want to conclude is that we know that as a nation, we failed to stop this virus. We failed to, you can say, we failed to judge that this is going to come very heavy in this as a second wave, and all the temporary COVID care centers, they were closed, right? We never tried to get the ample stock of oxygen ventilators, so nothing happened. The moment in September 2020, the graph went down, we all were relaxed. Now we are away from corona. We were passing on our vaccines to other countries, that we are very great, we are a great country, and now we are providing vaccine to other countries. And now we all are repenting. All the temporary COVID centers are not there. There's a great rush in hospitals and other private centers. They are unable to manage that. Shortage of oxygen cylinders, shortage of ventilators. So all shortage. Even if I will go out and try to purchase paracetamol, it is not there. Tough to purchase. Medicines also are not there. So what we can do right now everything has failed. Okay, we know that. Now what we can do, what measures we are taking, if we are staying at home, if we are having some immune system enhancement, some Ayurvedic kadha or whatever, turmeric milk and all, if we are maintaining distance at home also. So I will suggest, if in your house someone is there who is going out every day to shop or to some other place, you have to also maintain social distance inside your house. right? So if Ishan's brother and father, they are going out for work, when they come out, so I was telling Ishan, if anyone in our family, if he is going out because of some job issues or some other issues, when they come back after doing all washing and sanitizing, they should maintain a distance in house also. Maintain a distance from your father and brother also, right? Because you don't know what they are carrying. So what we are doing outside, we should also do inside. Maintaining a distance is the best possible thing. 6 feet distance, that's it. And whenever you're talking to anyone, your friend, your family members, anyone, you keep on repeating what you are doing to keep yourself safe. Very, very important. Because if we all talk about what we are doing, it is possible that they must understand. They will understand and they will also start following those instructions. So first thing is that I will maintain all the protocols to keep myself safe. And then whenever I am talking, I am writing on social media, whatever I am doing, I will keep on mentioning every now and then how I am keeping myself safe, what I am doing myself. So maybe our examples will help others to learn something, to be aware, and to keep themselves also safe. Right? Anyone has told me, sir, I have a marriage ceremony on 26th of April, on 30th of April, please come. I said, sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I won't be coming. Right? So by this, you are discouraging. You are telling them that this is a wrong decision of them. Right? So at least if you are there with your points, it may help even one person. It's going to work. Fine. So maybe
Yeah,
if
sir.
we all are on social media, I will request all of you that after this class is over, maybe by night, you can write on your social media account that today we had a discussion that how India failed to stop this second wave of COVID-19 and what I am doing as an individual to remain safe. And then you can request all my nears and dears who are reading this post of mine, you take it in positive or in negative, whatever, but I will request that please follow these instructions. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Right? So stay home, stay safe, maintain COVID-19 protocol outside also, inside also. And if again you people are ready, we will again have the next round of discussion on some other topic next Sunday. I think next Sunday is 2nd of May, I believe.
Yes,
सर
sir.
आपने वैक्सीन ले लिया?
So I will take on after 1st of May. So I
Okay.
will complete my 45 on in August. So I was
Oh,
considering myself, but from 1st of May it is open for everyone.
18 plus.
So on 1st of May we all will take and will try to keep ourselves safe. That is also one point which we missed. We must go for vaccination, and we tell all our nears and dears that at least take vaccine. It will give you a psychological support that now you are a bit safer. Fine. So thank you for joining. Stay home, stay safe, and keep spreading the good news to everyone that you are maintaining all the COVID protocols. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Yes.
Good day.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day, sir.
Bye-bye. Good day. Good day.
Take care, sir.
Bye. Bye.